Hello and welcome. My name is David Oisamu J. David. If you're just joining me for the first time, I say welcome to my channel. My channel is all about creating designs. As you can see, what a t-shirt designed by David Oisamu J. Yes, I create designs that sell, designs that make you passive income from print-on-demand sites. The aim is for you to create quality designs people want to wear, designs that you can upload to print on one side to make you passive income. That's all my channel is about. As you can see, I have a lot of videos up already. I don't know the number it's going to be because most of the time or sometimes I pre-record my content, so if you are seeing 151 here, it might just be more than that. It might just be at 155 when you're watching this, or more than that. I don't know. It might be 200, might be 300, but anytime you're watching it, it is relevant, it is still usable. You can use it for your designs and you're rest assured to get something quality. And with that said, I'm going to go straight into the design and create something for you. Yes, I use canva.com for my designs. You're going to be using canva.com for this one. So without waiting much of the time, let's go straight into it and create something unique for yourself. So now we are opening canva.com. It's going to load. Yes, canva.com is a web-based graphics app or design tool. You don't need to download any software to use it. It's super easy to use, drag and drop. To create a new design, custom dimension, the standard is 4500 by 5400. So now we'll create the designs. When we're done, it's going to open on a new tab. Stick around, I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro free, because you really need Canva Pro if you're serious about print on demand. If you're serious about making passive income from print on demand, you definitely need Canva Pro. It's a super cool app, and yes, don't get me wrong, it's super cheap also, but you don't need to pay on your first month. I'm going to cover that for you with my free gifts, so make sure you stick around. So now we'll just go to elements. I'm just going to do scale and two. Just go to do skeleton and just look for a cool skeleton we can use. So I like this one. You see, you can see it's pro, is a pro image. This is not going to work on a white shirt, obviously. It's not going to work on a white shirt, so let's see if we can change that color. Can change that color to black. I'll just change the element. This won't work, so I'll just change that. It won't work for me, so let's look for something cool. So let's see this. Okay, I like this one, so we'll just move it down a bit and make it bigger a bit. So now we have that in the middle. So now we'll go to our text. And just find a cool text. We'll just add text. As you can see, it's quite small and you don't want it to be small, so you move your cursor to this edge, over your cursor to this circular edge, press down your left mouse key button and drag outwards. It's going to make that big. So I like to move it to where I want it so that I can drag it out just the way I want it. So I'll move that to the edge, to the top, sorry. Go back to move my cursor to the circular edge and just drag that again. So now I have that. So now I can go over, do Ctrl A and change the text. So I'll just look for a fanciful text I can use. I'll just scroll and find one for myself. I need something catchy. But not so complicated also. So just scroll to find one. How does melody look? No, melody is looking too small. You get a drill, just keep going till you find one very unique one. Okay, for this we can use this, so just do Utopia. Sorry about that. So we do Utopia. So now that we have that all set, we need to make it bigger a bit. So I'm going to drag out this again. I want it as big as possible. It's quite small. It's quite small and I don't enjoy that. Let me do 500 on this. Okay. So you can change it in two ways, either you drag it out or you just do that from here. So I can highlight that again and just change that to 600. As you can see, it's quite big now and I think I'm enjoying it the way it is. And now I will just change the color to match it that is close to this or the red, depending on which one you want. It's up to you. You can decide to do the red. Okay. You can decide to do the red, just something not too shabby, okay, like that. So as you can see, we got that out, Utopia. So it's simple, unique design, not complicated, easy to get done. And as you can see, I just used two pro images, the pro skeleton and the text. So to get Canva Pro, you need Canva Pro for two reasons. Let me tell you the reasons. Pro images, pro text. With Canva Pro, you use unique text and unique images that are not popular, that have not been used by a lot of people. So you have that advantage over others and your design will stand out. People will see your design as fresh on the site, on print on demand site, so they want to use your design, they want to buy your designs. That's the first one. Secondly, you want to get rid of the background. As you can see, you can change the background color, but the truth is that once you upload it, it's going to be different with the product you're going to put it on, and it's going to be obvious that the design, the color does not match the shirt, and you don't want that at all. So the best option for you is to get your design downloaded without this background. And to do that, you need Canva Pro, like I'm going to show you now. If I click on download transparent background PNG, yes. So I'll click on download and it's going to go over and get that downloaded for me. As you can see, it's downloading and we've just used about 7 minutes in this design. If I check it out, show folder, as you can see, Utopia, we have it. You can see it came without the white background, downloaded without the white background. You have your design. Now you can upload it on any color of shirt you want, and anybody can choose whichever color of shirt he or she wants to get for himself or for loved ones. You don't need to put it on a white shirt. And second thing, make sure you always change your file name to match what you're doing. It's going to help with your SEO and also with what you're trying to get done, so that you know where you saved your file, at the end. Utopia. So this one's Utopia. So now we have that saved as Utopia. So it's going to help your SEO, it's going to help you rank better, and it's going to make you remember what you saved your file in, so that you know what you're looking for when you're looking for it. So with that said, if you click on it, you can change the color, you can change the skeleton. It's up to you. All you have to do is just to come over and just use the element. You can also use pictures if you want that. You can also use pictures. It's up to you. You can do skeleton. So it's up to you. You're gonna always get something you can use. So you can see this dancing skeleton. So it's up to you. You can use this for as much as you want. You can see this crazy fun skeleton. You can decide to use that. If I bring that in, as you can see, this creates its own unique design, and you can just upload that and just bring in that font. You can just take it backward a bit. So to do that, you just do Control and move back, get rid of this one, and you have the Utopia. You can decide to bring this down like so, and you go over again and just, you can go over, change the color, you can change the colors. As you can see, photo color, you can just change the color to match any of this one. Is up to you. You can just change the color, or you leave it at this red or something, and then you click on download. It's going to download that transparent background. You're going to see your design is going to come without this. As you can see, 10 minutes into this design, and you can create as much designs as you want. It's not going to take your time. So this one is just going to download, and we're just going to see it for ourselves, and we are good to go on this one. So show folder, as you can see, this is it. We click on it, you see we just have those design. It's a premium image, not everyone has it, just you, so you can upload it, and guys, people are going to love it and all. So to your right, you're going to see a playlist. Make sure you watch those playlists. Remember, like I said, always rename your file so that it helps with your SEO. So with that said, to your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you watch those playlists. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next design video. Stay blessed. I love you all.